Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows could not start the Windows audio service on local computer error in Windows 11, 10. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Audio. Second method is type Regedit in Windows search bar, click Regedit. Click and expand H key local machine, click and expand system, click and expand current control set, click and expand services. Right-click Audio SRV, click Permission. Change System and User Permission to Full Control. Third method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Windows Audio Service. Click Log On tab, check Local System Account, check Allow Service to interact with desktop. Now check the Start the Service. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.